BJP leader Jyotiraditya Scindia and his mother Madhavi Rajesh Scindia have been admitted to a private hospital in the national capital after the two showed COVID-like symptoms. The two are admitted at Max Hospital in Saket. Meanwhile, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who has been self-isolating after developing mild fever and sore throat, got himself tested for COVID-19 today. An apparent surge in traffic outside Wuhan hospitals from August 2019 may suggest that the coronavirus hit the area earlier than reported, a study says. Harvard researchers say satellite images show an increase in traffic outside 5 hospitals in the city from late August to December. The traffic spike coincided with a rise in online searches for information on symptoms like cough and diarrhea. China has dismissed the Harvard report. Former West Indies skipper Darren Sammy has released a video alleging racism within the Sunrisers Hyderabad camp. Sammy lost his cool after learning the meaning of the word Kalu, which he alleged was directed at him during his Indian Premier League stint with the Sunrisers Hyderabad. Sammy did not specify as to who directed these slurs at him, but now the viral image shared by Ishant Sharma in 2014 that describes Sammy as Blackie in Hindi exposes casual racism within the team. There is no community spread of coronavirus in Delhi, according to central officials, Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia said after a meeting of the Delhi Disaster Management Authority. Earlier, Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain had said that half the coronavirus cases in Delhi cannot be traced to any source. Sisodia, meanwhile, also outlined the virus situation in the capital, saying that as per models, by 31st July, 5.5 lakh cases are expected and 80,000 beds will be needed in Delhi. This after the Lieutenant Governor struck down an order by Delhi government to reserve some hospital beds in the capital for residents only. Addressing a virtual rally for West Bengal on Tuesday, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that the name Corona Express, given by Mamata Banerjee to migrant trains, will become her exit route from Bengal. Shah was referring to Mamata Banerjee's criticism of the central government for running migrant special trains amid a surge in coronavirus cases. Mamata had alleged that there was no social distancing on these trains and they were running without food or water. At least 50 National Disaster Response Force personnel deployed during Cyclone Amphan in West Bengal have tested positive for COVID-19. Officials said more than 170 personnel have been tested till now after they returned to their base in Cuttack, Odisha from the cyclone-affected West Bengal.